Cruises are supposed to be all about relaxation, endless food, exotic destinations, and ocean views that go on forever. But sometimes, those dream vacations turn into terrifying ordeals. Today, we're counting down the top 5 worst cruise ship disasters of the last 30 years and sharing some safety tips you can actually use.
That's right, we're not just here to shock you, we're going to give you real strategies to stay safe if you ever step foot on a cruise ship. Trust me, some of these disasters could have been avoided if passengers had been more prepared.
Let's start with number 5, the Costa Concordia in 2012. Off the coast of Italy, the captain steered too close to shore and hit a rock, tearing the ship open. 32 people died, and thousands were forced to scramble for safety. The real tragedy? Many passengers didn't even know where their lifeboats were.
That's why the first tip is simple but powerful. The moment you board a cruise, find your nearest lifeboat and emergency exit. Don't wait for the safety briefing. If something happens fast, you need to know exactly where to go.
Coming in at number 4 is the Carnival Triumph disaster in 2013, better known as the Poop Cruise. A fire knocked out power, leaving the ship adrift for days. Toilets failed, food spoiled, and passengers had to sleep on deck to escape the stench. A fire knocked out power, leaving the ship adrift for days.
Imagine being trapped in that situation with no clean water or working bathrooms. Here's the tip. Always pack a small emergency kit. Flashlight, portable charger, bottled water, and even protein bars.
Number 3 happened in 2019 aboard the Viking Sky. The ship lost all engine power during a violent storm off Norway's coast, drifting dangerously close to the rocks. More than 400 passengers had to be airlifted by helicopter in extreme conditions.
That's terrifying. One way to lower your risk is to research the ship before you book. Check the vessel's age and maintenance record. Mechanical failures are far more common on older or poorly maintained ships, and the cruise line's reputation for safety matters.
Number 2 takes us to 2006 and the Sea Diamond tragedy in Greece. The ship struck a volcanic reef near Santorini and sank, leading to the deaths of 2 passengers. Hundreds were forced to abandon ship in a rush, many unprepared.
That one highlights the importance of paying close attention to muster drills. It may feel boring, but knowing exactly where your life jacket is stored and how to put it on quickly could be the difference between life and death.
And finally, number 1, the Diamond Princess in 2020. This ship wasn't sunk or disabled, but it became infamous for being one of the first major COVID-19 hotspots at sea. Thousands of passengers were trapped on board as the virus spread, and more than a dozen died.
That showed us that disaster isn't always about storms or collisions. Sometimes it's invisible. Always travel with health supplies, masks, sanitizer, and basic medications. You don't want to be stuck in quarantine without essentials.
So those are the top 5 worst cruise ship disasters of the last 3 decades. Each one is a reminder that no matter how luxurious a cruise seems, safety should always come first.
Absolutely. So tell us, would you still go on a cruise after hearing these stories? Drop your thoughts in the comments and maybe share your own cruise experiences.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel and safety insights, and share this with anyone planning a cruise. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one.